Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going with this car?
Well, I just got it all wrapped up, but the customer's concerned about bell noise. I can hear something like a light chirping, and I was going to replace it, but I'm not completely sure of the cause.
Well, what did you find during your inspection?
The only thing that seems unusual is the ribs of the belt look a little shiny, and when I release the tensioner, I see that it's working, but it seems as if it's binding slightly. But it still has tension on the belt.
Well, from your description, I think I know what's going on, but let me take a quick look. Sure enough, as I expected, the problem is a glazed belt.
I'm not really familiar with that. What could cause a glazed belt, and why does it make that noise?
A glazed belt is caused by slipping. If the belt slips even slightly, over time, the surface of the belt becomes polished and the shiny appearance gives it away. When this happens, there's no way to reverse the effect. The belt must be replaced, but you also need to figure out what caused the loss of tension, and you've already figured it out here.
The tensioner.
Exactly. It's binding due to wear or corrosion, and even though it seems to have tension on the belt, it's not reacting quick enough to maintain constant tension, allowing the intermittent slipping, which eventually ruins the belt.
So I need to replace both the tensioner and the belt to fix the problem?
That's correct. And this is a great example of why we use Continental multi-V belts. The mileage on this car tells me it may also have some minor pulley misalignment, which by itself can cause chirps or squeaks. The advanced EPDM compounds used in the Continental belts virtually eliminate these chirps, squeaks, and squeals associated with minor pulley misalignment, and a polyester tensile member improves dimensional stability, controlling elongation and eliminating slip.
Thanks for helping me with this. These serpentine belt systems can be tricky at times. Are there any other good tips that you have?
Yeah, two. First, remember serpentine belts do not operate on their own. They're part of a system that includes components with similar life expectancies. Proper belt drive preventative maintenance should include a belt and tensioner inspection at every oil change, with a consideration to replace them beginning at 60,000 miles. A thorough maintenance procedure includes the replacement of all system components, including tensioner, pulley, OAD if it has one, and the belt at the same time to bring the system up to its original condition. And two, I've got this coffee because there's something else glazed in the break room. I'm talking about donuts. Come on, let's go grab some, and then you can finish up this car.